How to verify account on Scout. Are you especially to verify account on the Scout application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To verify account on Scout, first of all open Scout application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, you'll be forwarded to this interface. Just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top left corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon. Just simply tap on your profile icon. As soon as you click on it, now just simply tap on verify profile. After you click on it, you need to verify your profile by clicking a live picture. A verified profile helps others know it's really you in the photos. It builds trust, gets you noticed, and only takes a few minutes. Now, to verify your account, just simply directly look out into your mobile or device camera. Look serious and try not to smile into the camera. Remove your glasses or any kind of accessories that you are wearing. Now, just simply click your picture. As soon as you click on picture, tap on verify now. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to verify your account on Scout application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.